Alright, we're going to take you on another adventure. We actually came over here last weekend. We're down here at the Boise River, and it's a good, I didn't look, probably 40-50 degrees, 30-40 degrees maybe a little hotter. It was cold this morning, ice in the windows. Alright, I'm on. Just got one. Got one on the fireworm. There we go. Not too big a one, little bitty guy. But you know what? We'll take what we can get. It's nice and cold. Get this fireworm out of his mouth. Oh no, I don't want to take all my clothes off to get my fires. Alright. A cute guy. Not too bad. Get you in for the release. There he goes. Alright. Alright. We're on. Let's see what we caught. Oh, it took my worm. You know, last week I started out little bitty guys like this, and then it started getting bigger ones. Right on the top of the mouth. Get the hook out of its mouth. Come on now. Come on. There we go, there we go. Get a nice picture of the little guy. Little bitty guy. Hopefully they get bigger. Hopefully. We don't know. There it goes. Matthew's jealous over there because that's my second fish of the day. Alright, stay tuned. We'll let you know. I gotta put a new... Alright, so we caught a couple on this part of the river. So we're gonna wander our way up to the dam and try over there, see how it works. See if the fish migrated upwards. You know, gotta find out where they're hanging out at. Found a couple spots where they were hanging out, but not enough to sit there for a while, so we're going to try some farther upriver. Alright, well, stay tuned. Finally caught one. Caught me a fishy. I got to go back to my gravel because I like my gravel area over here. Nice and slow. Now let's see if we get to keep it or do we get to release it. This one might be a keeper. Remember, they swallow, I eat. Decent sized one. We're gonna eat that one. Put that in my little goodie box here. Take that guy and eat him. If you guys want one, you gotta come here and fish yourself. That one's mine. Alright. Oh yeah. It ain't a very big one. But we got one. When I said it wasn't a very big one, I meant it wasn't very big at all. Whew. It's about 7 inches. Ain't too big. Alright. Come over here. Let's see. 7 inches. Nice, pretty guy. Alright. Angle the camera down. Nice, gentle release. There it goes. Oh, there it goes. Woo. It's all excited. We got another one. We got another one. It's a fighter. It is a fighter. Oh, and I always make the rule: swallows the hook, I keep it. This one swallowed the hook, I keep it. How'd I do that? All right, well, you know what? You can see the fishing. Got a little damage in the eye there. It wasn't for me, but you know what? I'm gonna take this one home and eat it too if it don't get away from me. Throw it in there. Probably ain't too bad. It's a nice one. Woo! Caught one. Well, I was going to show you that one, but it was so small it just got off and swam away. Alright, we're recording. Matthew just caught one on his fly rod. That's pretty awesome. I don't know if he has his net. Is it still there? Oh, it is still there. Poor Matthew reeling his fish in.
Yeah, it's like right there. Got it.
Yeah, but now it's in your net. You didn't even show the cam of the fishy.
I was trying to move the net out of...
Oh, I see how it is. All right. Well, maybe we'll get to see another one on camera. Matthew decided to drop that one. All right, we'll see. I got. Dude, they're so hard to bring up the rapids. Huh? It's so hard to bring them up the rapids. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, I swallowed it. You know what I do? Put on your stringer. You got your pliers? I caught a fishy. We're gonna make a change. We're gonna let him hook it on his stringer. Maybe. Hopefully we can get our hook back. I really can't make it back where I'm putting mine. I caught one fishy. I caught one fishy. I caught one fishy. I got wormies. I think that's why Matthew's coming this way. And maybe a microphone so you can hear better. Haven't decided yet.
You got it, yeah.
Oh, we are on, we are on, we are on.
We got it.
Little guy, caught me a little guy. A little bitty one. Stole my worm. Yeah, little sucker. All right, swim away, fella. What happened to that worm you found?
Gave it to Christopher.
Oh. I ran out of worms. Can I have a worm? I lost mine.
You lost your worms?
No, I'm out of those worms.
Oh, okay.
I lost the one that was attached to my hook. Alright, here's Matthew fly fishing. We're going to end the video with Matthew fly fishing. It's been a good day, not too bad. He's caught one on the fly rod, but we gotta go do some other stuff. So, thanks for watching our video, and we'll see you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.